Hello everybody, this is the Sesto Elemento here, and I'm back with the second unboxing video of the six videos that I'll be doing. So if you just watched the P1 GT or the P1 unboxing video, it's right there in the corner if you guys can barely see it. But without further ado, let's get straight into it like last time. There we go. Now these two RC cars were bought at the same location in Beverly Hills. The store name I already forgot. Alright, okay. Done. Anything else? There we go. It's the remote things again. Alright. Let's not mess. Alright, here it is in all its glory. If you guys can see it, it looks very nice. Alright, I know how this works now. It's just like the P1. Sorry about this. Alright, there we go. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm very sorry if you guys can't. Alright, come on. Okay, so the remotes are just like the Pagani's on the R and the P1. I have to stop saying P1 GTR because it's not a P1 GTR. It's not that I get the remote out of my own time, so that's figure out how to safely get this out. Here we go. Got one side out, and the other side is free. Alright, so here it is in all of its glory. Let's close the doors without breaking them. Yep, alright. So this is it. It looks very nice. And I shall see you for the test drive and track run. Hope you guys enjoyed, like and subscribe, and bye!